Elon Musk is stepping into a pivotal role in the Trump administration aimed at addressing the U.S. national debt. As head of the Department of Government Efficiency, Musk plans to tackle wasteful spending while navigating the complexities of deregulation. This video explores his strategies and the potential implications for America's financial future. Before we dive in, if you've ever considered investing, the first link in the description will lead you to Interactive Brokers, the platform I personally use and highly recommend for its robust features and competitive pricing. Introduction to the Department of Government Efficiency. The Department of Government Efficiency is a new initiative aimed at transforming how the federal government operates. This department seeks to streamline operations and cut wasteful spending. Elon Musk has been appointed to lead this ambitious project. Musk's approach is rooted in his experience with private enterprises. He understands the importance of efficiency in achieving financial stability. His vision includes a thorough audit of government spending and performance, understanding the current U.S. deficit. The U.S. deficit has been a growing concern for many years. Each year, the government spends more than it earns. This imbalance leads to a significant increase in national debt. In fiscal year 2024, the government collected about $4.92 trillion in revenue. However, it spent approximately $6.75 trillion. This spending creates a shortfall that the government must cover by selling bonds. The increasing debt burden has serious implications for the nation's financial health. It limits available funds for essential services like Social Security and Medicare. Consequently, addressing the deficit is crucial for the country's economic future. Musk's vision to reverse the deficit. Musk envisions a government that operates more like a successful business. He believes that by cutting wasteful expenditures, the government can achieve a balanced budget. The goal is to eliminate unnecessary spending and improve efficiency. He suggests that many government programs do not provide adequate value for taxpayer money. By identifying and cutting these programs, Musk aims to reduce the deficit significantly. The focus is on creating a government that is accountable and transparent in its financial dealings. The need for consolidating government agencies. The federal government is often seen as bloated and inefficient. Musk highlights the need to consolidate various agencies to streamline operations. With around 450 federal agencies, many of which overlap in function, there is significant room for improvement. This consolidation could lead to reduced operational costs and a more agile government. Musk believes that fewer agencies would mean fewer bureaucratic hurdles. This would enable faster decision-making and more effective governance. Criticism surrounding Musk's plan. Musk's plans have not been without criticism. Many people express concerns about the potential consequences of his proposed cuts. Critics argue that eliminating certain programs could harm vulnerable populations who rely on government support. There are also worries about job losses resulting from agency consolidations. While Musk emphasizes that his goal is to create a more effective government, the reality of job displacement remains a significant concern. This raises questions about the balance between efficiency and social responsibility. The role of the Government Efficiency Commission. The Government Efficiency Commission is tasked with evaluating all federal expenditures. Its role is crucial in identifying waste and inefficiency. This commission will provide recommendations for reforms that could lead to significant savings. By conducting a comprehensive audit, the commission aims to create a clearer picture of how taxpayer money is spent. This transparency is essential for restoring public trust. Citizens need to see that their money is being used wisely and effectively. Analyzing government spending patterns. Understanding government spending patterns is vital for effective reform. Musk's team will analyze where money is allocated and where waste occurs. This analysis will help identify areas for cuts and improvements. The focus will be on ensuring that every dollar spent contributes to the public good. By prioritizing essential services and cutting non-essential programs, the department aims to create a more sustainable financial future. The ultimate goal is to shift from a deficit to a surplus. Achieving this requires a thorough understanding of spending habits and a commitment to accountability. Overcoming the challenges of government debt. Elon Musk faces a daunting task in addressing government debt. The sheer scale of the debt makes it a complex issue. Each year, the government spends more than it earns, leading to a growing deficit. To tackle this, Musk advocates for a radical overhaul of spending practices. He believes that eliminating waste is crucial. This requires a careful examination of all expenditures. Every dollar counts, and Musk emphasizes accountability. He wants to ensure taxpayer money is spent wisely. This approach could help reverse the trend of increasing debt. Musk's approach to streamlining operations. Musk's experience in the private sector informs his strategy. He knows the value of efficiency. In his view, government operations can benefit from the same principles that drive successful businesses. By applying these principles, he aims to reduce costs. Streamlining operations will help eliminate unnecessary bureaucracy. This can lead to faster decision-making and improved service delivery. Musk believes that effective management can transform government agencies. He intends to focus on performance metrics and outcomes. This could lead to a government that operates more like a well-run business. If you're concerned about your financial security and are thinking about investing, check out the first link in the description. It's the platform I use, Interactive Brokers. Click the link to learn more. The implications of deregulation. Deregulation is a cornerstone of Musk's vision. He believes that reducing regulatory burdens can stimulate economic growth. Fewer regulations can encourage innovation and competition. However, this approach raises concerns. Critics argue that deregulation could compromise safety and environmental protections. Striking a balance will be essential. Musk argues that not all regulations are beneficial. He believes many are outdated and hinder progress. The goal is to create a regulatory environment that fosters growth while protecting public interests. Potential risks of job losses from consolidation. Consolidating agencies may lead to job losses. This is a significant concern for many employees. Musk acknowledges this reality but believes it is necessary for efficiency. He argues that job displacement can be managed. Transition programs could help affected workers find new opportunities. The focus should be on creating a more effective government. In the long run, a streamlined government could lead to new jobs in other sectors. The challenge lies in ensuring that the transition is smooth and fair. Addressing conflict of interest concerns. As Musk takes on this role, conflict of interest concerns arise. His involvement in industries affected by government regulations raises questions. Critics worry about his ability to remain impartial. Musk insists that his focus is on the public good. He wants to ensure that government spending benefits all citizens. Transparency will be crucial in addressing these concerns. He proposes a system of checks and balances. This could help mitigate potential conflicts. The goal is to create a government that prioritizes the interests of the public over individual gain. The importance of transparency in government. Transparency is a key component of Musk's vision. He believes that an open government fosters trust. Citizens should be able to see how their tax dollars are spent. Musk advocates for a system where government actions are visible. This could help hold officials accountable. By exposing inefficiencies, the government can improve its operations. Ultimately, transparency can lead to a more informed public. When citizens understand government processes, they can engage more effectively. This can create a stronger connection between the government and the people it serves. For those seeking to take control of their financial future, platforms like Interactive Brokers can provide access to a wide range of investment opportunities, allowing individuals to participate in the market and potentially build wealth over time. Click the first link in the description to learn more.